out of all the critical illnesses, what is the most common illnesses you are hearing about?
सर कैंसर के बारे में सुन रहा हूँ,
So cancer.
हार्ट इश्यूज हो गए. Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant. We recorded another important video on marine insurance or another important video on life insurance with Swapnil Tamankar sir. And the question today is, sir, that when we are taking this term insurance and we are talking about critical illness rider, it is very important, right,
Yes.
sir?
Yes.
So, sir, what are the challenges that a seafarer faces? How important is critical illness rider? And what are the challenges that a seafarer faces, such that sometimes they have to forego that clause
Okay.
or maybe take a separate policy? Can you please share some insight on that?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. So critical illness, the word itself says critical illness. So they are going to be a life-threatening illnesses, heart attack, cardiac arrest, stroke, cancer related to lungs and all. So these kind of illnesses is going to jeopardize your future employment. You can say that. That means you are not going to go on board ever. I'm going to take in that kind of severity of those illnesses whereby you are going to lose your employability itself.
Right.
Okay. So in order to do that, you require some financial support to cater to your own needs. Now, when life insurance comes into play, it is about death. And the money is not going to you, it goes to your nominee. Critical illness, you get diagnosed with the illness, you tell the life insurance company that I am diagnosed with the illness, whatever has been insured. You tell them this is my diagnostic report. The company will pay the critical illness sum assured to your bank account for your benefit only, not the nominee, the policy holder.
Agreed, sir. So, sir, normally I go for, I'm a fourth engineer, I go for a 1 CR policy
Yes.
as recommended, or 1.5 CR policy, say 1 CR policy.
Yes.
Now, how much should be the critical illness cover in that, as per you? First question.
Okay. As high as possible, because tomorrow I don't have any clue or an idea, first of all, whether I will get a critical illness or not. God forbid, should not happen to anyone. Okay. There are some rules. It is 50% of your sum assured. That is the maximum you can go in the same policy. So
So,
let's say
say,
1 CR, your 1 CR, maximum is 50 lakhs. So you will have death benefit of 1 CR, critical illness of 50 lakh.
okay, so that means to say in the same policy, will my premium increase slightly, or it will remain the same?
Okay. So in term insurance, I'm going to insure death benefit. So that is with respect to the different statistics chart, how many people die with the age, and that is why I'm going to give you a very X amount of premium, right? Critical illness means there will be a different statistics data with me, how many people has got that critical illness and all. Now this one, death, once a while, critical illness multiple times can happen to anyone. Lifestyle changes has become so much into our body, surroundings, environment, how you talk, speak, that this particular probability of you, me, anyone else having critical illness has gone very high.
So that means premium will also go high.
So probability is very high.
Premium is high.
So when premium is high, what is the general sense? What is the common sense which tells you? What is the common sense which will tell you? Don't buy critical
Don't buy
illness.
it. नहीं यार ज़्यादा agreed.
Okay. So premium is very high. If premium is very high, that means what? That is an actual telling you something. It is a parameter. It is an alarm condition that premium is very high. That means people are suffering critical illnesses at a very higher probability. That is the first thing you have to take.
That is the first thing you have to take.
But that is the last thing one person will take.
Understood, sir. So next question from my end is, so understood, sir. Say 1 lakh, 1 crore is the cover that I have got. 50 lakhs is for the critical illness. Maybe because you'll be making a separate video on that, actually showing how much does the premium increase if you have gone from
Yes,
a normal term insurance to
yes,
critical, adding that critical illness rider. Now,
yes,
my question is, sir, I have heard generally that some good companies do not prefer giving critical illness rider to mariners. I'm not very sure. What is your take on that?
yes. It is very, very true. It is very, very correct. Most of the companies, firstly, not just critical, they give you very low sum assured policies to mariners. Okay. So my requirement is for 5 to 6 year. They will not go beyond 2 CR.
मुझे लगता है कि ये जल्दी जाने वाले हैं. Is that so?
Yes, risk category comes into play. We work on tankers, we work on oil exploration and all, right? We have seen videos about how much risky our job is. Okay. So they have that kind of statistics data with them. Okay. If you have working on a tankers, gas tankers, LNGs and all, many companies put you additional premium, which we call it as loading. So आपकी risk ज़्यादा है, you pay more premium. That is also there. So how to mitigate any risk? Either you pay higher premium and I'll give you the risk, or
Don't do anything.
don't pay the premium. I'm not giving you the policy only. Risk aversion. So the best thing is risk aversion. जय माता दी, आप भी मैं भी. Okay, don't come to buy critical illness. Okay, that is the basic scenario. If you are getting a critical illness rider or a standalone policy, you are very lucky. Please buy on an immediate basis.
On an immediate basis. Sir, any mistakes that people make while going for that critical illness rider? Say, first of all, if they are not, first of all, what I know is, then when you're going for term insurance, you have to be very, very specific in declaring that you're a seafarer, filling all those forms, which we'll be discussing
Yes.
later in the videos.
Yes.
We have done that. We have taken that, and we are lucky that we got a critical illness rider. So we got
Yes.
that, and there's a list of all the uh, bimariyan, I would say, the diseases that are covered in that.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and the premium has gone slightly higher. Say if a
Yes.
company says that, sorry, I'm not going to give you a critical illness rider. No, I'm not going to give.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
what should, as a seafarer, be my next step?
Okay. So with life insurances, you have to see in the market currently that which insurance provider is giving you term plan with critical illness. First thing. Second thing, out of all the critical illnesses, what is the most common illnesses you are hearing about?
So कैंसर के बारे में सुन रहा हूँ.
So cancer,
Heart issues हो गए. I think so. These are the two major ones, I would say.
heart and cancer. The third one being diabetes.
Diabetes, yes, diabetes.
Okay. Make sure out of the three, you take for all three, or at least for heart and cancer. And once it is a standalone, मतलब आपका life insurance से कोई relation नहीं है, it is not related with your life insurance. Make sure one thing, your premium should be constant. Take that policy, whatever you are paying in first year at the age of 30, the same premium should be there for you till you become 50. So you have to go with that policy, not that your age is 35. So your premium is going to be today 2 rupees, tomorrow 2000 rupees. No, no. So you have to research in that way that which policy is doing that. First year at the age of 30 also same premium, at the age of 50 also same premium, at the age of 60 also same premium, in that manner.
So do we have such policies existing today?
We
Because we are
have.
not going to refer anything on in the
Yes.
videos, but then people get influenced.
Yes, we
Are
have.
there?
We
Okay.
have. We have.
So with this, sir, thank you very much for this lovely video. Thank you very much for guiding us. Take care, sir. Bye.
इंश्योरेंस इज अ गेम ऑफ ट्रस्ट. हम किससे करवा रहे हैं, क्यों करवा रहे हैं, इट इज रियली अ मैटर ऑफ ट्रस्ट. Like I remember when I had to buy insurance, I took a lot of time till the time my own sister became an agent and I could trust her. And that is how this thing I came to. This is a big problem. I thought the information is easily available. No. There are a lot of challenges, a lot of filters required. So these are the videos that you need to watch, and with this just one video, everything will not be sorted. So there is this free course complete available over here for insurance. The complete content may be for 5 or 6 hours, but it is worth it. ये 5 से 6 घंटे देके you can make very well informed right decisions of your career for term insurance, for health insurance and for house insurance even. And why? Because एक गलती कई बार हमें बहुत लाखों के नीचे लेकर आती है. So 5 hours of yours can change your life. So why don't you enroll for this free course? Make well informed decisions. बाकी team Merchant Navy Decoded is always there to help you. You're most welcome to ask your questions on Merchant Navy Decoded platform or on the YouTube channel. We are there to help you. We'll find out the right answer and make videos for you as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Enroll now.